Let's learn how to create bar chart. To do a bar chart, we need two set of values, right? One is completion target in our case, another one is current progress. Completion target we have set as 100% and the current progress is the current status of the project, right? Here I have used rand functions. You can see here, rand function when you do, it will return as a decimal value 0 to 1. Same value can be converted into percentage, right? So when you convert into percentage, whenever there is a value change, dynamically the graph is getting updated. This graph can be in horizontal form or can be flipped to vertical form, right? To do this amazing chart, you can follow simply 5 steps. One is to create a simple bar chart, have an axis between 0 to 100, that is point 0 to a point 1.0. Insert the shape and have a fill, and with the white outline you can give and switch the rows and columns and overlap with 100% so that you can 2 bar convert into 1 bar and then have a data label. This is what we are going to do it. So this sort of chart will be very helpful to give overall picture, quick picture before you start the presentations or in any of the slide, you can use this one so that it will give a amazing impact that what is the overall picture, and then you can go further down like further details, granular details and so on. Okay, let's practically do how to create this chart. Let's do it step by step. I'm going to select this chart. Select these 2 columns, sorry, and going to insert and recommended chart. It gives me a cluster bar chart and have a go and click it. So here, important point is that, so whenever you have percentage, always better to give 0. We should not start with 0.1. I'll tell you why we should not start with 0.1. Let's say just started with 0.1 here, okay? And then, so one of the things which we are going to do is that instead of bar, we are going to convert into some shapes. So to do that shapes, we need to, sorry, we need to click shapes and then 2 shapes, right? One, I'm going to keep it like gray color with white outline. White outline is must. And the same thing, what I'm doing it, pasting it one more time. And then let's say I'm just creating the same thing filled with green. And I'm just ensuring that it is a white outline. So white outline. So now what I'm doing it, copy this one and the target one, completion target, I've used that gray color. Copy this one and paste it only on this one. And right click, format data cell and go to data series. And then you have, this is an important step, stack and scale with unit or picture. Per picture, we need point, right? So it will, if you count this one, it will be 9 only, not 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why it has given 9 instead of 10? Because it is starting with 10, right? Not 0. That's the reason we should start with 0. What I'm doing it, I'm just making it 0. This will fix the problem. You see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it is perfect. Similarly, what I'm doing it, I'm just going back to the topic. So I'm just copying it. Another chart is there. I'm just right click and paste it. Come back here, do the same thing. And so now these two chart has been converted into shape fill chart, right? Now this has been done. And I don't need the title, everything. Okay, now I need to overlap this. How to do? To do that, you can go to design and then switch rows to column. So what will happen? Swap the data over the axis. So this has been swapped it very closely. And this is, for example, 70%. This is 70, right? So now what I'm doing is I need to combine these two, right? Click this chart and this overlap, you can give 100% overlap. So now, and then what I'm doing it, I'm just adding it chart here. Data label. So this data label, I'll make it big. Maybe I can use this some transparent colors. and filled, and because this is green, so I will use the same color. So and make it slightly bigger. Yeah. So 18 I will give. Okay. Now you see that whenever there now this line is not required now, and this chart is not required now. I mean, this axis is not required now, right? So you see that whenever there is a change, automatically it will get changed. So let's try. So instead of 70, I will remove and I'll use rand functions and let's try. So 6 percentage it has come perfectly. Now this is one box is 10. So this is 6 percentage. Let's say 5 percentage, it will give 5 percentage, right? Exactly 5 percent. Let's say 15, it will give 15 percentage. Let's say if you give 50, it will give 50 percentage, right? Perfectly it has given. Even if you give 49 percentage, it will show perfectly 49. Okay? Let's use random function now. Rand function now. So 93, it will give 93 and whatever the values you want, you can get it. So the same chart, let's say you want to use it horizontally. Sorry, this is horizontal. You wanted to use vertical, you can also do that. Copy this one and copy this chart and paste it here. And this one, what I'm doing it, I'm just clicking on the design, on this chart, change chart type. The change chart type, if we want in column, you can convert into column. And one more time, one more thing, what we need to do is we need to swap this value here, right? So click on right click on this and then just swap. 100% you can swap. Okay, this has also been done, right? The only thing is that we don't need this one, right? I mean, we don't need that filled one and all that, right? So, okay, that you can just do that formatting, everything you can do that. Okay? This is horizontally and this is vertically. And whenever there is a change, of course, the value is going to change. You see? I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe channel. You have wonderful day.